Do you have Telegram group and now you want to permanently delete your Telegram group or channel? So how will you do it? For that, just open your Telegram account and go to your Telegram channel or Telegram group. When you are on your Telegram channel or group, just click on your channel or group name. When you click on this, at the top you can see there are two options. First one is pencil option, which is called edit option, and second one is three dots. Just click on this edit or pencil option. When you click on the scroll down at the bottom, and at the bottom you can see there is option called delete channel. So simply click on delete channel. Now it's asking you, it's confirming that you want to delete your channel. Just click on delete for all subscribers. Simply check this and click on delete channel. When you click on delete channel, your Telegram channel or similarly if you have any group, then our channel or group will be deleted. For channel and for group, you will apply same procedure, same process, and your channel or group will be deleted permanently.